Again.
Okay, narrate. Yep.
Okay.
Narrate for us, Daddy.
Well, I forgot what day it is in June.
24th.
The 24th, okay. We're out on Sibley Pond. It's the first day that we've had the boat out as a family. Just got in the water yesterday. And I thought it was high time to let Sarah see if she could drive it. And I think she's doing a pretty good job. All right, turn back to your right just a little more, okay? To your left, Sarah. I'm sorry, left. Your other right. I'm sorry. Yeah, your left. Okay, not too much. Now straight ahead. Just keep it nice and straight. Okay. Get rid of that. So I can see. Yeah. Let it fly in the wind. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful. All right, now, Sarah, take a slow sweep. Okay, you're gonna go that way. That's fine. All right. Now, you see the white coming across right there, where we just were? Now, you want to hit that at an angle, okay? Like, say your boat's here. You want to hit that where the waves are like that, coming towards you. That's it, just like you're doing. That's fine. Turn to your right. To your right. A little more. A little more.
It is such a beautiful day.
It's gorgeous.
You're like right behind me.
Yeah, I am.
He's fun, Sarah. You're doing it all by yourself.
Yeah, you're doing it.
Finally.
Flip that blower switch on, Sarah. Just blower. There you go. We have to turn the wheels blower on.
Is that a bad thing?
When you're going slow, it is. Yeah. Yeah, the horn works.
First driving lesson. Is this illegal?
No?
No, not as long as I'm with you. Or Mom. Law says if you got somebody that's 16 or older with you, you're fine.
Look at me, Sarah. Have fun? So you want your own boat now when you're 16?
Maybe.
Okay, Sarah, hold on to the wheel now. Go that way. Stay over toward the middle, all right? Go.
Go faster.
A little bit, until she gets used to it. Gotta teach them sometime.
I can see it now when she's about 16, about 4 girls and 4 boys on this thing, ripping through Sibley Pond.
Uh-huh.
Sarah, don't do that.
Stay straight.
What do you think, Daddy?
I think she's doing fine. This is the way I learned, believe it or not. Dad and I used to go fishing out on Lake Michigan. We'd have about 6 fishing poles in the water off of 4 downriggers and just trolling all day long. He'd watch the poles, I'd drive.
Look at me, Sarah. I need some visual excitement. You are? All right. That's good news. Happy is good.
Yes, it is. Back to your right, Sarah. So you don't have to turn no sharp with it.
There's the Magster, our boat doggy. Oh, there's lovely me in the rear view mirror.
Let's go kill it.
Oh, if you can get close to the loon, that would be cool.
Yeah,
You'll probably dive before we get too close to
most
it.
likely, yeah.
Let's get next to it.
Stay straight, Sarah. Stay straight.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi. of it.
This is our very old, 1985
Yep.
boat, but very wonderful boat. We love it. We couldn't ask for a better boat out here. We can move, and had a nice big hole in it from a storm 2 years ago, but we have that fixed and all's well.
Can I turn?
Life is good. Dad, she wants to know if she can turn.
Yeah. Take a big wide turn. Wide.
Wide.
What does that mean?
Big circle. Big circle. Okay. Cut back in on your circle and take the waves head on. See that wave right there? Go straight into it. Keep turning. Keep turning. Okay. Straighten out. You got it.
Good job, Sarah.
Nice, very nice. Okay, now just stay straight as you can be, okay? Stay completely straight.
Can we go a bit faster?
I'll give you a little more throttle, but not much.
Woohoo!
Hey, hold on to that, okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry about that.
If you're riding the boat, you're riding.
6:49.
It's all right.
Go that way. Okay, you're gonna find it's harder to go that way because the wheel's gonna fight you a little bit, okay? To the left just a little. Going straight toward the bridge. Going toward the bridge. Is anybody about ready to go in? Or no?
Soon.
Oh, Sarah, don't do that.
Why?
Scare me half to death, that's why.
You enjoying that gum, Daddy?
I thought we were gonna plunge
Yeah.
into the water. That's why we're
Well, Daddy's got to get us back in.
Yeah. Okay, take it straight on, Sarah. Give yourself a little bit of headway speed. All right, to your right. Hard right, hard right.